Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best princess centerpieces is probably one of the most enchanting additions you can make to any celebration, transforming ordinary tables into magical kingdoms fit for royalty. These captivating decorations are designed to spark imagination and create a truly memorable atmosphere, whether you're planning a birthday party, a fairy tale-themed wedding, or any special event where a touch of regal charm is desired. Imagine the delight on your guests' faces as they are transported to a world of wonder, with these stunning centerpieces as the focal point of your decor, adding a whimsical and elegant flair that will be talked about long after the last guest is departed. Number 5. Disney Princess Table Decorating Kit. Bring the magic of Disney to your party with this enchanting table decoration kit. It features your favorite princesses adorned in beautiful artwork and vibrant colors that will mesmerize your guests. Made from high-quality and durable materials, this delightful set is designed to withstand the test of time. Enjoy using it for multiple events and create everlasting memories. This set comes with one mesmerizing background and 8 standees. Transform your party table into an enchanting and immersive Disney experience, making you feel like you're part of the story. This charming table decoration kit is perfect for birthdays, celebrations, and magical parties. It's sure to be a hit for any themed bash or simply to add a touch of whimsy. Increase your party game with this captivating table decoration kit. It's designed to stand out and grab the attention of magical party planners and Disney enthusiasts alike. What we like? This set brings the magic of all your favorite princesses right to your party table. It's made with high-quality materials for lasting memories. If you're planning a birthday or any magical celebration and want an immersive Disney experience, you should consider this. What people say. The quality was great too. They stood up well throughout the party and looked fantastic in photos. The decorations were super cute and just the right amount of princess sparkle to create a magical atmosphere. The princesses were very easy to put together. It was beautiful. My daughter is still playing with the castle and the princesses, so it's like 2 for the price of 1, decorations and toys for later. Number 4. Princess Castle Cupcake Stand Party Decorations. Make your little one's birthday magical with our Princess Castle Cupcake Stand. It's designed to be the perfect centerpiece for any royal celebration. Crafted from thickened cardboard with a waterproof film, this stand is built to last. Enjoy clear, vibrant patterns that won't fade, ensuring a beautiful display. This cupcake holder features an enchanting castle shape in a lovely pink hue. Adorned with flowers, leaves, and rainbows, it adds a touch of fairy tale magic to your party. With 3 spacious tiers, it can hold a variety of treats like cupcakes, donuts, cookies, and fruits. It's perfect for displaying all your delicious desserts. Setting up this stand is a breeze thanks to its tool-free, cross-structure design. Follow the simple diagram to assemble it quickly and save precious party planning time. Ideal for princess parties, birthdays, baby showers, and fairy tale events. Create unforgettable memories and add extra fun to any special occasion. What we like? This cupcake stand is built with thickened, waterproof cardboard for durability. Its castle shape and vibrant colors make it a standout piece. If you're looking for a functional and themed dessert display for a princess party, baby shower, or birthday, this is a great choice. What people say. The colors and design matched the theme so well and made the cupcakes look even better. They were easy to assemble, felt stable while holding the cupcakes, and I really like that it comes as a 2-pack, which is great for parties with lots of treats. The quality is great and sturdy, and you can fit a good amount of cupcakes and small desserts on the stand. Beautiful set, used for decor instead of cupcakes, and definitely a hit. Very easy to put together and take apart. Stores flat, making it easy to use over and over. Number 3. 12 PCS Floral Princess Party Honeycomb Centerpieces. Step into a fairy tale with these charming decorations. Featuring whimsical designs like castles, crowns, and carriages in lovely pink and gold, they're perfect for any princess-themed celebration. Crafted from durable, high-quality cardstock, these pieces are built to last. They feature vibrant, color-fast prints on both sides, ensuring a beautiful display. Each set includes everything you need: honeycomb bases, decorative cards, and adhesive stickers. They are perfectly sized to add a delightful touch to any table setting. Ideal for baby showers, birthdays, or any festive gathering, these decorations add a sweet and warm atmosphere. They also double as fun photo booth props. Setting up these adorable centerpieces is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and assemble in seconds for an instant touch of magic. What we like? You get 12 different princess-themed items like carriages and crowns, made from durable cardstock. They are easy to assemble and can even double as photo booth props. If you like a variety of sweet and romantic princess elements and want decorations that are versatile, you should consider these. What people say. Super cute and easy to set up. The quality is good. I will definitely reuse it for others events related to my girls. Great addition to the table decorations. Very pretty. Number 2. 3D Carriage Centerpiece, 3-pack. Add a touch of magic to your party tables with these delightful 3D carriage centerpieces. Each one is designed to impress and bring a fairy tale feel to your celebration. Proudly crafted in the USA, these decorations ensure quality and charm for your special event. You can be confident in the craftsmanship. Measuring 11 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall, these centerpieces are perfectly sized to make a statement on any table. They offer a grand presence without being overwhelming. Constructed from durable printed boardstock paper, these pieces are built to last throughout your event. They provide a sturdy and attractive decoration. While some assembly is required, it's a simple process that leads to a stunning final product. Get ready to transform your party space with minimal effort. These are the ideal decorations for a princess-themed party, bringing the enchantment of a royal ball right to your tables. Make your little one's dream party come true. What we like? This package includes 3 charming carriage centerpieces, each a good size for table decoration. They are made from printed boardstock and require simple assembly. If you want a classic princess carriage motif and prefer products made in the USA, this pack is a perfect fit. What people say. Perfect for our little Cinderella tea party. They were a good size and a great addition to the table. Cute, kind of complicated to put together at first, but they are a nice size for a centerpiece. Sturdy. Easy to put together. Slightly blue hue but did not take away for presentation. Number 1. Tenare 8 pieces gold glitter castle centerpiece. Add a touch of magic to your celebration with these stunning castle centerpieces. Their glittery golden design and charming shape create a romantic and joyful atmosphere for any party. Each centerpiece boasts a dazzling glitter appearance on both sides, designed to capture attention. They are perfect for making your themed parties feel extra special and full of delight. Our set includes 8 decorative castles in various styles, crafted from durable paper cards that won't easily break. You'll have plenty of options to perfectly match your decorating needs. These glittery castle centerpieces are ideal for birthday parties, princess-themed events, and more. They also make a wonderful gift for your loved ones. Setting them up is a breeze. Simply insert the included cardstock to make them stand tall in seconds, no tools required. You'll have beautiful, delicate decorations ready in no time. Standing at approximately 10 inches tall, their size is just right for your table decorations. Place them on any smooth surface to enhance your party's ambience. What we like? These centerpieces feature eye-catching gold glitter on both sides in various castle styles. They are made of durable paper cards and are incredibly easy to assemble. If you're aiming for a romantic and joyful princess theme with a touch of sparkle, especially for a baby shower or birthday, these are ideal. What people say. Super cute table decoration for a princess party, really easy to put together, didn't shed glitter everywhere too badly. They were great to fill the dessert table with extra decor. Came as pictured. Worked great for my kid's birthday. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.